Hi, good afternoon and welcome back to Skintech Studioz. We are glad that you're watching us. Today we're going to be basically doing of a patient along with a few fine lines correction. We're going to be doing the starting with the procedure right away. You will be able to see the nasal bridge coming out immediately. However, the patient comes back after a couple of days for a couple of days and shows us as to how the results have come for the fine line correction. This is just a quick sort of a demo that we want our clients to go through because it's been long that we have not uploaded any videos. We hope that you'll like it. Okay. We're doing this nasal bridge reconstruction for Bindu. If you could see, the bridge is completely missing. So I think a little bridge creation would practically make her eyes look lot more nicer and wider, and also would give her a nice facial feature correction. Uh, ठीक है ना? Nasal bridge reconstruction is very common in the eastern part of India because mostly the clients here have a more broader and rounder face. So a little enhancement of the nose also makes the feature look a lot more nicer. I'm using a 27 gauge long needle, and it's a lot more easier to basically work like that because in just one prick you're able to basically reconstruct the entire nasal bridge without giving too many pricks to the patient, and putting the entire product in one go. This is one of the very common treatments in the clinic, along with the chin sharpening and cheek elevation. The cartilage is completely flat here, so we have to create the entire bridge on the cartilage and give it a sharper look so that the entire nasal bridge comes out a bit sharper and gives a little elevation on the flat nose. We also do this as a part of the makeover sometimes, where the patients walk in and they not only want a textural difference, but they're also looking for the feature corrections. And I think it gives a beautiful projection as well as a sharper feature correction. I'm trying to put basically 0.5 ml to do the correction. I don't think it will require anything more than that, and the rest 0.5 I can actually utilize for the other feature correction so that we can give the value to the entire filler. Rhinoplasty being more tedious procedures. A lot of people these days walk in for these non-invasive ones, which are lunchtime procedures and finish very quick and can be done at any point in time. Let's see, we have a little elevation to the nose right now.
FDA approved, instantly gratifying, painless, non-invasive procedures, expert supervision. La la la, la 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 la, la la la. Let it show, just let it show. Skintech Studioz, your concern, our solution.